Good morning, you guys. So I have an event to go to on Wednesday, and I figured I would go ahead and pack my bag in advance. You guys know we have to be prepared for any and every event. So I'm still carrying my Chanel tote that I love, that everybody compliments, that I'm like, it's really, really old, but she's an oldie but a goodie. So I'm still carrying her, and I will continue to probably carry her for the rest of the week. But on Wednesday, I'll just be gone for a couple of hours, so I just wanted something smaller and just cute. And she is just a cutie patootie, isn't she? The reason I titled the video this way, three designers in one, is because she's really like four designers in one. So you got Gucci in the handles, obviously. This is the most obvious. There's even Gucci in the hardware with the horseshoe like little hardware there. Isn't that cute? You got Louis Vuitton over here on the hooks. Just perfect. And she's got her name, of course, because it's Anne Klein. You've got Celine in the silhouette. It's a Celine bag with the flowed out on the sides. Flowed out. I don't know what else to call it. But I love this bag. It's just so cute. It's a very smooth leather or a pleather, whatever it is that she uses. She's even got feet on the bottom, and she's got her AK stamped on it. I mean, Anne Klein just did the business with this bag. I can't wait to get in her. And she's got this little Michael Kors element with the little extra pouch that she's got on the back. So you got the little Michael Kors pouch, the little, I want to call it a key fob, but I think it's more of like a, just showing her designer label, but she wanted to kind of hide it, which I think is so adorable. You see that? It's just cute for $34. $34. Now, of course, this is a bag that is a smaller bag, so you don't want to overstuff her. You just kind of want to be, this is a light carry. So this is a going out to brunch, going to an event. I'm wearing off-white and linen. You know, linen is off-white. And it's linen season. So, yeah, this is the season to wear your fresh items. So I'm just cutting off the tabs, all the little extras. I love this. I love that she included this. And yeah, I can't wait to get in. I'm probably gonna cut off the tag on the inside, but I'm not gonna do that on camera. There's like a tag down here on the inside that's just kind of big and in the way right here. But maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. On the inside, she's got 3 card slots in case you didn't want to carry a wallet. And I'm just noticing that. So maybe I will not carry a wallet. I don't know. No, I'm going to, the reason I'm going to carry a wallet is because it's open. If it were a zipper, then I would maybe opt out. All right, so let me see. Let's see. What do I have? I'm going to carry my little makeup pouch. And I'm just going to have my little YSL. My little NYX. I'm wearing this right now. And I've had this for so long, I just never opened it. And I'm like, I really like this. It's a soft matte in the color Cons. I've had this for a minute. And I just, yeah, like I said, I never wore it. But I really, really like it. So this eucalyptus spearmint, and my Honey by Maybelline. It's just that color. It's a perfect match. I love this color, and I don't see Honey a lot. I don't know why they run out of Honey so much, but I guess there's a lot of caramel sisters out there, so they run out of that color first. So that's my makeup. I have my glasses in here. These are just the True Religion ones that I showed the other day. I love these, y'all. These are so fly. These are so cute. And of course I have the little cleaner in there, the little clean cloth in there. And then I have a little pen just in case I need to write something down. And yeah, I don't really need a pen case because this is a quick one-day wear. All right, so I'm just gonna toss that in there. I'm gonna carry my tissues. I just have them inside of this little pouch. And that's gonna go in the back of the purse in the little zipper portion. My Purell wipes. I don't leave home without some type of wipes and sanitizer. I have to have it. This is my Peach Bellini that I love. I love this scent, y'all. Every time I go get candles from Bath and Body Works, I get Peach Bellini. I even have the fragrance, but I don't spray the fragrance as much as the candles. I love the candles. I have my little fan. This one should last for the little time that I need it. And I think I'm gonna carry, no, I don't need that pouch. I'm gonna carry this pouch that just has my necessities like wipes. And here are my wipes. I have the alcohol, I have a Band-Aid, I have Summer's Eve, the antibacterial cleansing wipes, and the honey pot. So that's just in case, you never know. And then I have my little hand cream, my chapstick, and I had this in here, but I'm gonna take this out because I'm replacing it with my own concoction. So I just blended the baby oil with the Philosophy's Amazing Grace lotion, and yeah, this will keep me together for this event. So I'm gonna keep that in here, and that's pretty much it. Now I do have a little emergency kit I've never used. It's got like a comb, hairpins. I got it from Dollar Tree. I'm not gonna use it either in this bag just because I have braids, so I don't need it. My scent that I'm gonna take is the Jimmy Choo Flash. I just made this up. I love Jimmy Choo. I first smelled this scent on the cruise, and it was years ago. This was before the pandemic, and I think this scent is discontinued now, but when I had a little sample of it, and I had to have it. As soon as we got home, I went and bought the big bottle because I love this scent. Just love it. So this is going in the bag. Actually, I haven't worn this yet, so I think I'm gonna wear this. Okay, it's got a little key thing on it. So I'm gonna put this in here. I have an extra lippy. This is just Revlon, I believe. Is this Revlon? Yeah, Revlon. And I'm gonna take a little nail glue. And my earrings. So I'm probably gonna wear these little Louis Vuitton studs. I don't know if you can see it. Those are cute, aren't they? So I'm gonna wear those. And that's gonna be it. Guys, if you are watching, go get your girl some earrings. Get her some jewelry. Get her some bracelets. Most girls love bracelets. Go get her a new fragrance. And do it just because. It doesn't have to be a special occasion. It doesn't have to be a birthday or anniversary. Just get it for her because she deserves it. And tell her you were just thinking about her. And I bet you she would love that. Now, I didn't put anything in here because I think I'm going to put my cards in here. Yeah, I'll put my cards in here when I'm ready to wear it. I was going to wear this white wallet that I love, but I'm not going to wear this one. I'm just going to use the one that came with the bag. So this will be inside of here like this. And that's it. That's how I have her packed. Easy carry, so pretty. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.